In this video tutorial, we will go over the rules that are present in the school academic monitoring system. There are 5 roles to access this system. Those are admin, which is the administrator, and this role has the highest privilege in the system. The second is the CRCC, which is the Cluster Resource Center Coordinator. Then BLA, which is block level access, DLA, which is district level access, SLA, which is state level access. We'll go over all of these roles one by one in the tutorials coming up, and we will see what these roles can do in the system. So let's start with the CRCC role. So I am logged into the system currently as a CRCC. And how can we know that? We can know that by clicking into the account link here, and it will show us the role that we are logged into. In this case, it is a CRCC. So let me show you some of the things that a CRCC can do. So in this system, we have set out different restrictions for different users. For example, the CRCC can perform certain operations, whereas the BLA, the DLA, the SLA, they can perform their own respective operations, and then the administrator can perform their own assigned operation. As an example, we will see in different kind of roles, there will be different menu bars showing up. In this case, if I click on the create, we would expect 3 things: add school, add teacher, and add student. But a CRCC or a DLA, BLA, or SLA, DLA and BLA are not allowed to add a school. So essentially, that's why we are only seeing add teacher and add student. Another restriction is if I go inside the add teacher. Let me click add teacher, and it will take me inside the add new teacher page. Here you will see the second restriction is that for a CRCC, the district, block, and cluster assigned to that CRCC is already populated and is disabled, so that the CRCC cannot go ahead and change it. The CRCC can only access the schools that are within the cluster that he is assigned. In this case, this particular CRCC is assigned to the Bhuyakhat cluster inside Sapekati block and Sibsagar district. So he or she can add only data like teacher and student inside this cluster. Hence, inside he can pick up any school from here and then essentially fill out the form to add the teacher. The same thing applies for the views as well. If you click on the view and then views teacher, you will again see that the CRCC is restricted to only the cluster that he's assigned to. We'll cover the other roles in the upcoming videos.